Why does meditation is really important? Let's explore why meditation is your secret weapon to a brighter, calmer you. Mind mastery. In the chaos of daily life, meditation is your anchor. It's not about emptying your mind, but about mastering it. By pausing, breathing, and observing your thoughts, you gain control, fostering a sense of calm and mental clarity.
Stress begone. Meditation is your stress-busting superhero. It activates the relaxation response, lowering cortisol levels, and creating a serene sanctuary amidst life's storms. Boosting creativity. Unlock the doors to your creative haven. Meditation opens up pathways in your brain, fostering creativity and innovative thinking. Your next big idea might be just a few moments of stillness away. Emotional resilience. Life's roller coaster is inevitable, but your response is within your grasp. Meditation nurtures emotional resilience, helping you navigate challenges with grace and a centered spirit.